Cinderella's magical makeup kit. In a village, a little girl named Cinderella lived with her father Kamlesh and mother Suman. Cinderella's father was a sarpanch of the village and her mother was an educated housewife. Cinderella has brown eyes, long golden hair and a round face. Because of this, she looked very beautiful and attractive. She was very sensitive about her beauty. Cinderella's parents loved her very much because Cinderella was their only daughter. Cinderella's mother was very interesting of doing makeup. Cinderella's mother was also beautiful in appearance and she took great care of her beauty. Cinderella was a 13-year-old girl. She used to enjoy playing very much and she used to play with her friends in the house courtyard. Seeing Cinderella, the rest of her friends were very jealous of her beauty and used to praise her very well in front of Cinderella. Wow, Cinderella, you look beautiful and charming, and your golden hair adds your beauty more. Your little round face looks just like the moon. Oh, there is nothing like that. The eye of the beholder is good. Otherwise, beauty is only of the mind. Nothing happens with external beauty. You can see my beauty because your heart is very good and you are not jealous of mine like this. After listening all this, the rest of the girls go to their home by paying obeisance to Cinderella and never come to play at Cinderella's home again. Cinderella starts doing makeup using her mother's makeup products. Cinderella loved to do makeup and she tried making a new hairstyle with her hair. One day, Cinderella, thinking of buying some makeup product from the market, says to Mom, "Mom, I want to buy some makeup products from the market. Will you go with me to the market?" "Why not, my dear daughter? I will definitely go with the market with you. But before that, I will see the goods of the house. The goods which are finished, we will bring those goods from the market." Cinderella is waiting for her mother and thinks to herself, "Today I will go to the market and buy myself a lot of makeup and look very beautiful by applying it. Let's go to the market, dear." Cinderella goes to the market with her mother and buys makeup products, so she did not know how to buy products. Cinderella's mom buy her products. After that, the both mother and daughter go to their home. Cinderella wants to use the new products. She starts using the product without telling her mother. Cinderella is sitting in front of the mirror, applying her mother creams. After applying the cream, Cinderella finds her complexion very fair and she was very happy to see her complexion. At the night, Cinderella sleeps without removing her makeup. When she wakes up in the morning, she sees her face in the mirror. She is surprised to see it and she becomes sad and starts crying loudly. "Mom, come here quickly. Come and see what happened with my face." Cinderella's mother hurriedly comes to Cinderella's room and she is very surprised to see Cinderella. She sees that her daughter has got many red spots on her face. She does not understand how this happened. "Dear Cinderella, how did all this happen and what have you put on your face like this? Tell me quickly. If your father says it, he will shout a lot you as well as me also." "Mother, I did nothing. I just wake up and when I see my face in the mirror, I was surprised to see my face. Mother, do something quickly. I can't go out with this face of mine. Cinderella is crying a lot, saying all this to her mother. And her mother was also very worried about Cinderella. She immediately calls a makeup artist at her house. Yes, ma'am, tell me, whose makeup do you want? Hello, ma'am. I need your help. This is my daughter Cinderella, and she has some red spots on her face. In this condition, my daughter can't even go out. Please do something. Dear Cinderella, tell me, what did you that you have so many red spots on your face in the morning? Actually, ma'am, I had applied my mother's cream last night and I forgot to remove it. After applying it, when I woke up in the morning and I looked in the mirror, I had these red spots on my face. Makeup artist listened to Cinderella and understand that she did not suit the cream. Cinderella, this cream is for your mother's age. You have to make a big mistake by applying it on your face. It is a wrinkle removal cream. Now, I don't know how to help you. It will take some time, but everything will be fine. I can't help you right now. So I will go. Makeup artist gives a cream to Cinderella and her mother. And now both mother and Cinderella don't know what to do. Cinderella sits in her room and crying loudly. A week passes like this, but Cinderella's face is not at all not getting better, but getting worse day by day. Cinderella always used to look at her face in the mirror, and seeing the mirror was very angry. One day, Cinderella gets disturbed by the spots on her face and goes through the forest and jumps from the mountains in the forest and thinks of giving her life. I don't want to live anymore. I am very upset to see this my face. I am going to jump from these mountains. Cinderella is thinking about jump off the mountain when a fairy saves her life starts convincing her. What happened? You are such an innocent and cute girl. Still you are going to jump from the mountain? Tell me what happened. Fairy, don't you see this my red spots on my face? Are you asking me? Cinderella was getting very angry, so she doesn't talk too properly and tries to jump over again. Cinderella, I can understand your problem, but giving up will not solve it. Wait, let me help you with something here. It is a magical makeup kit. Using this, you will look beautiful like a fairy. This magical makeup kit is yours will take away all the troubles. Cinderella is very happy to hear from Fairy and she takes the magical makeup kit from Fairy. Cinderella goes to home and tells the all of story to her mother. She uses Fairy's magic makeup kit. As soon as cream from Cinderella's makeup kit, she takes it out and applies it. Start disappearing, she looks like before. Cinderella's mother becomes very happy to Cinderella and thanks to the fairy in the hut. After that, both mother and daughter spend their life happily. So, my dear friends, how did you like this story of mine? Please tell me by commenting. Share this story with your friends, and yes friends, if you are not have subscribed my channel, please subscribe by pressing the red button below. See you again with a new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye friends.